Hi, Chris from Fireside Hearth Home. Today we're going to talk about using your battery backup on your Firebrick insert in the event of a power outage. To access the battery backup on the fireplace, first you must open the door. In some instances, the door will be secured with a child safety latch, which is down in the right-hand corner. To loosen or remove this latch, take a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen the bolt that secures the latch to the unit. Some fronts will have a channel that allow that bolt to slide up. In other cases, you'll either need to loosen it completely or even remove it in some cases for ease of access. When the child safety latch is removed or loosened, you'll be able to hinge the front completely open. The battery backup on the Firebrick insert is located underneath the glass. Take the panel out to access the battery backup. The Firebrick insert takes 4 AA batteries. You only want to put batteries in for use in the event of a power outage. At all other times, the batteries should be outside of the pack. Insert the 4 AA batteries. Reset your module if needed, and then control your fireplace like normal. The battery backup will have enough power to support the flame, but will not operate the fan or the lights. When your power is restored, remove the batteries from the pack and use your fireplace like normal.